Hello everyone, my name is Anthony and I'm a civil engineer by profession. Welcome to the channel where you get tips on Civil 3D based on my experience and knowledge for the last 6 years. Please don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. So let's get started. Let's start by opening Civil 3D. I'm using 2020 version, but you can use any version of your choice. My Civil 3D is now open. So I'll proceed by importing my points. If you haven't watched the previous video about the correct way of importing your point files into Civil 3D, please check the link to that video in the description. And in case you don't have points to use, also check in the description for the coordinates I'm using for this tutorial. Next week, I'll upload a video on how to use Google Earth and Global Mapper to create your own coordinates of any place around the world. So subscribe to get notification once the video is out. But please use the points only to practice or create proposals, not on real projects. This is because the points from Google Earth are not very accurate and you will need to use survey equipment to come up with the actual points on ground for your projects. With that said, let's get started. To import the point files, I will go to the ribbon and I will go under Insert, where you see Points from File. I'll click there. And then the window dialog will pop up. And then you go to this, you see this plus button. It says Add Files. Click here to browse for one or more files. I'll click here. Then you have to brush to where your points are located. So in my case, I'm using this. So I'll change the format. All this is explained in details in the previous video of the correct way to upload your point files into Civil 3D. So once I've imported, I'll come here and zoom extent. As you can see now, this is the point files that I've uploaded and these are the points, as you can see. So to simply create a surface in Civil 3D, I'll go under Tool Space and check Surfaces. Right click there and create a surface. I will name my surface as e.g. Existing ground surface. I will leave the rest as default and click OK. So as you can see, there's a button here to expand. So this shows that you have created the surface already. So if you expand this, you'll see that e.g. surface that you have created. I will expand the e.g. surface. I'll go under definition. I'll also expand it and scroll down to point groups. Then I'll right click and add our point groups. So select all points, apply, then OK. As you can see now, our surface has been created. So let's trim this. Well, you can see it's exaggerated. Let's trim this. There are two ways or several ways of editing your surface. The easiest way is just to click on the edge of the surface. Then you see this pop up. I will go under surface properties. I'll click there. Then the surface properties window has popped up. Then I'll I'll go under definition, build. I'll expand this build. Then go under, I'll use maximum triangle length. From noise change to yes, and then I'll put 100 meters. I'll apply. You click rebuild the surface, then okay. As you can see now, our surface has been trimmed. You can go ahead here and under the surface properties again, and then information. I'll change the contours from 2 meters and 10 meters to 1 meter and 5 meter design. Click apply. Okay. So you can see now the surface has been created, and that's it for the video. Stay tuned. Next video, we shall create an alignment using the surfaces that we have just created. Creating a surface in Civil 3D is as simple as this. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. And I'll see you in the next video.